Did you know that eating just 2 boiled eggs a day can transform your health in incredible ways? From boosting your metabolism to enhancing your brain function, the benefits are truly remarkable. Stay tuned to discover the 9 amazing benefits of incorporating this simple habit into your daily routine. 1. High-quality protein source. Boiled eggs are packed with high-quality protein, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Each egg contains about 6 grams of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. The protein in eggs is considered complete because it provides all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. These amino acids are the building blocks of our muscles, tissues, and organs. They play a crucial role in muscle repair, helping to recover from workouts and daily physical activities. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone looking to stay healthy, incorporating boiled eggs into your diet can support your muscle health and overall well-being. Additionally, the protein in eggs is highly digestible, meaning our bodies can efficiently use it to build and repair tissues. This makes boiled eggs an excellent choice for those looking to increase their protein intake without consuming large quantities of food. 2. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Eggs are a fantastic source of vital nutrients, making them an incredibly nutritious addition to your diet. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that play a crucial role in maintaining good health. Firstly, eggs are rich in vitamin B12, which is essential for the production of red blood cells and the maintenance of a healthy nervous system. Vitamin B12 also supports brain function and helps prevent anemia by ensuring your body can effectively produce hemoglobin. Another important nutrient found in eggs is vitamin D. This vitamin is vital for bone health as it aids in the absorption of calcium, which is necessary for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D also plays a role in supporting the immune system and regulating mood. Vitamin A is another key nutrient found in eggs. It is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, supporting the immune system, and ensuring the proper functioning of the heart, lungs, and kidneys. Vitamin A also promotes healthy skin and cell growth. Eggs are also a great source of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Selenium supports thyroid function and boosts the immune system, helping your body fight off infections. Additionally, eggs contain phosphorus, a mineral that works with calcium to build strong bones and teeth. Phosphorus is also important for producing energy and supporting the normal functioning of cells and tissues. 3. Promotes satiety and reduces appetite. The high protein content in boiled eggs plays a significant role in promoting satiety and reducing appetite. When you eat boiled eggs, the protein they provide helps you feel full for a longer period, which can be incredibly beneficial for weight management. Protein is known to have a higher satiety value compared to fats and carbohydrates. This means that after consuming protein-rich foods like boiled eggs, you are likely to experience reduced hunger and a decreased desire to eat. This is because protein influences the levels of hormones that regulate appetite, such as ghrelin, which is often referred to as the hunger hormone. By keeping hunger at bay, boiled eggs can help prevent overeating and reduce the temptation to snack between meals. This makes it easier to stick to a balanced diet and maintain a healthy weight. For those who are trying to lose weight or manage their weight, including boiled eggs in meals can be a simple yet effective strategy. Moreover, the protein in boiled eggs supports muscle maintenance and growth, which is important for sustaining a healthy metabolism. A higher metabolic rate can aid in burning more calories throughout the day, further contributing to weight management efforts. 4. Boosts metabolism. Eating eggs can significantly boost your metabolism, thanks to the thermic effect of food. The thermic effect of food refers to the amount of energy required by your body to digest, absorb, and process the nutrients in the foods you consume. Eggs, being rich in protein, have a high thermic effect. Protein requires more energy to break down compared to fats and carbohydrates. This means that when you eat protein-rich foods like boiled eggs, your body burns more calories during the digestion process. As a result, your metabolism gets a natural boost. This metabolic boost is particularly beneficial for weight management and overall energy expenditure. By increasing the number of calories your body burns, you can enhance your ability to maintain or achieve a healthy weight. Additionally, a higher metabolism can provide you with more energy throughout the day, making it easier to stay active and perform daily tasks. Furthermore, the protein in eggs not only boosts metabolism, but also helps preserve lean muscle mass. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue, so maintaining or increasing muscle mass can further enhance your metabolic rate. Incorporating boiled eggs into your diet can, therefore, be an effective strategy to support a healthy metabolism. The combination of high-quality protein and the thermic effect makes eggs a valuable addition to meals, helping you burn more calories and maintain a healthy, active lifestyle. 5. Enhances cognitive performance. Choline, a nutrient found in abundance in eggs, is crucial for brain health and can significantly enhance cognitive performance. Choline plays a vital role in the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is essential for memory, mood, and overall cognitive function. Consuming eggs regularly ensures that you receive an adequate amount of choline, which can improve various aspects of brain health. For instance, acetylcholine is involved in many neural processes, including the formation and retrieval of memories. By supporting the production of this neurotransmitter, choline can help enhance memory retention and recall. Additionally, choline contributes to the maintenance of cell membrane integrity and the structure of neurons, which are the building blocks of the nervous system. This support helps protect the brain from age-related decline and cognitive disorders. Choline also plays a role in brain development, making it particularly important during pregnancy and early childhood. Adequate choline intake supports the development of the fetal brain and can have long-lasting effects on cognitive abilities. For adults, maintaining sufficient choline levels can help improve focus, mental clarity, and overall cognitive performance. This nutrient is particularly beneficial for those engaged in mentally demanding tasks, as it supports efficient brain function and cognitive resilience. 6. Provides vitamin D for bone health. Eggs are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, a vital nutrient essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, which is necessary for building and maintaining bone density. When you consume eggs, you help ensure that your body has enough vitamin D to facilitate the absorption of calcium from the foods you eat. Without sufficient vitamin D, your body cannot effectively utilize calcium, leading to weaker bones and an increased risk of fractures and bone-related diseases like osteoporosis. In addition to supporting calcium absorption, vitamin D also helps regulate calcium levels in the blood, ensuring that the right balance is maintained for optimal bone health. This regulation is crucial for preventing conditions such as rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults, both of which result from vitamin D deficiency and lead to weakened bones. Moreover, vitamin D has a broader impact on overall health. It supports the immune system, reduces inflammation, and may even play a role in mood regulation and the prevention of chronic diseases. By incorporating eggs into your diet, you can benefit from these additional health advantages while primarily boosting your bone health. For individuals who have limited exposure to sunlight, which is a natural source of vitamin D, consuming foods rich in this nutrient, like eggs, becomes even more important. This is particularly relevant during the winter months or in regions with limited sunlight. 7. Protects vision. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that are highly beneficial for eye health. These nutrients accumulate in the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye, where they help protect against damage caused by harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. Lutein and zeaxanthin play a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision and reducing the risk of common eye diseases. One of the primary benefits of these antioxidants is their ability to filter harmful blue light, which can damage the cells in the retina over time. By absorbing this light, lutein and zeaxanthin help prevent oxidative stress and protect the eyes from potential damage. Additionally, these antioxidants have been shown to reduce the risk of cataracts, a condition characterized by the clouding of the eye's lens, leading to impaired vision. Cataracts are a major cause of blindness worldwide, and consuming foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, such as eggs, can help lower the likelihood of developing this condition. Another significant benefit of lutein and zeaxanthin is their ability to protect against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. AMD affects the macula, the part of the retina responsible for sharp central vision. Studies have shown that higher dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthin is associated with a reduced risk of AMD, as these antioxidants help maintain the integrity of the macula and prevent degeneration. 8. Balances cholesterol levels. Contrary to old beliefs, moderate egg consumption can actually improve your cholesterol profile. While eggs do contain cholesterol, research has shown that they can positively impact the balance between HDL and LDL levels in your body. One of the key benefits of eating eggs is their ability to raise HDL cholesterol. HDL cholesterol is known as the good cholesterol because it helps remove excess cholesterol from your bloodstream and transport it to the liver for excretion. Higher levels of HDL cholesterol are associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Additionally, eggs can alter the size and shape of LDL cholesterol particles. LDL cholesterol is often labeled as a bad cholesterol because high levels can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. However, not all LDL particles are the same. Smaller, dense LDL particles are more harmful because they can more easily penetrate the arterial walls and contribute to plaque formation. Moderate egg consumption has been shown to shift LDL particles from small and dense to larger and less harmful, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Moreover, eggs are rich in nutrients such as phospholipids and antioxidants, which can further support heart health and improve cholesterol metabolism. These compounds help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. It's important to note that individual responses to dietary cholesterol can vary. While most people experience these positive effects, some may need to monitor their cholesterol intake more closely. As always, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice. 9. Strengthens immunity. The selenium and vitamins A and D found in eggs play a crucial role in maintaining a robust immune system, helping your body fight off infections and stay healthy. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. By reducing oxidative stress, selenium supports the immune system's ability to function optimally. It also plays a role in the production of certain proteins that regulate immune responses and help prevent infections. Vitamin A, another key nutrient in eggs, is essential for maintaining the health of your skin and mucous membranes, which serve as the first line of defense against pathogens. Vitamin A supports the production and function of white blood cells, which are critical for identifying and attacking harmful bacteria and viruses. Adequate levels of vitamin A are necessary for the proper functioning of the immune system and can help reduce the severity and duration of infections. Vitamin D, also present in eggs, is known for its role in bone health, but it is equally important for immune function. Vitamin D helps modulate the immune response, ensuring it is effective without becoming overly aggressive, which can lead to autoimmune conditions. It enhances the pathogen-fighting effects of monocytes and macrophages, white blood cells that are critical to your immune defense. Vitamin D also decreases the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which can help manage inflammation in the body. Together, these nutrients found in eggs provide comprehensive support for a strong and effective immune system. By incorporating eggs into your diet, you can help ensure your body has the necessary tools to combat infections, reduce inflammation, and maintain overall health. Incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily diet can offer numerous health benefits, from enhancing brain function to boosting your immune system. With the power of high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals, and protective antioxidants, eggs are a simple and effective way to support your overall health. So, why not give it a try? Your body will thank you. If you found this information helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. See you in the next video.